Hello friends. I'm not going to say chai pee lo. Oh my god, if I keep making such dumb jokes, I'm never going to get any subscribers. Either way, hello, this is my morning face. There is so much noise because and the reason I'm wearing a mask inside my house now is because our maid started coming from the 1st of December, which was yesterday. So yeah, now we wear masks in the house when she is here. And she's in the bathroom right now, so I can do this, okay? My father has given that condition that if you want a maid, then you wear a mask when she's here. So that's what we're doing. And I really hope you can hear me. But I've decided that I'm going to try vlogging. So I'm going to try vlogging today. And then I've always wanted to be like a vlogger and everything. And then I'm like, what will I do? Will people even be interested? So I'm just going to see if you all are interested, okay? So the only thing I have done, I woke up at like 8 o'clock. It's 10 right now. I've just had breakfast and I did a bit of French. And I'm just going to do more French now because I need to do French because I don't know how to do French and I'm a beginner and I will fail in French if I don't do French. And also my classes, I'm supposed to give a test. I am giving a test. I'm like learning for the test and then I'll give the test because that's what you do. The Spotify Wrapped today. If you didn't get yours, you should also look for it. Very cool. I think till the time I upload this, everyone will have gotten theirs. But I want to tell you my Spotify Wrapped tonight. Right now I really need to study this French thing. I'm just going to get done with the test and I'll see you before college when I have lunch, I think, or I'll see you at the time of college. I'm going to go meet some friends today, so I'm planning to shoot something with them. I don't even know what I'm going to shoot, but like I'll search for some challenges or something that we can shoot in like a little bit of a time. Let's see. We'll see how that goes, okay? Bye. I am back, as you can see. Did I finish giving the French test? Did I study for French? Of course I did not. I procrastinated a lot instead. I was on YouTube and then I started watching this thing called I'm Not Okay With This on Netflix. I think you must have heard it's only one season. I think it got cancelled. Seems pretty cool, very chill. Right now it's like a teen drama. But of course I should have given the test that I have not given. And now it's 1 o'clock. Now I have lectures, I have sociology, then psychology, then French. So between that I am going to complete the French test. Wow, the way I'm just letting my future go. And I'm getting very confused because from 1 year I can hear that I'm speaking to you here. So I'm just gonna go bye bye. Oh, I'm back. I'm not really showing you anything, I know. Well, so now it's 4:15. I was supposed to leave at 4, but obviously I'm not even ready yet. So FML. But yeah, so now I'm just going to get ready and I'm going to leave to go to my friend's house. Well, not exactly house, we're just going to hang out niche somewhere. Maybe we'll go to McDonald's, I don't know. I'll take you along, obviously. I'll introduce you to a few of my very close friends, best friends. They're my best friends. What you introduce yourself? Are you a couple?
Yeah.
Are you a couple, guys?
Yes.
Oh, that's hard. I don't want to be everywhere I go.
Yes, Vaidehi, please fuck off.
Who will shoot then?
Why are we standing like this?
Who are you, Anushka? Tell us about yourself.
I am Anushka.
Dude, they say something how we met. Tell something about yourself. Who are you exactly?
That is the question, isn't it? Who are we?
Deep. No, you know something about yourself, don't you? This is too close. Stupid interruptions, clearly. My God, just say who you are and what you do. What do you do?
What do you do for living, Anushka? How much is your net
Speak
worth?
louder
Please tell
because
us.
I can't hear anything.
Hi, I'm Anushka and I do nothing for my living. I live off my parents' money. I do not earn for myself. I am very worth. No. I have a lot of worth. I am being forced into saying stuff that I don't want.
I am.
Please help me. Please call following number to help.
Yes, go on, Ishita. What is your name? I will ask you questions, you answer, okay?
Is this an audition?
Yes. What is your name?
My name is Ishita.
How old are you?
I am 17.
Describe yourself in 2 words. Just say anything that comes to your head.
Stupid.
1. That is 1.
Psycho.
Wow, you're a stupid psycho, so.
No, let's not say psycho. Remove that.
I survived.
Anushka, would you like to tell them what just happened? Speak louder. Okay.
This bitch thought it would be a good idea.
I am pretty sure you're not one.
This bitch thought that I am way too loud in McDonald's. But
Put subtitles.
not loud enough.
बोल यार तू
बाहर जाके कर क्या
She thinks it's okay to just randomly pet dogs on the road. Randomly. And of course, the dog went and he was going to bite her. And I saw the dog open its mouth like this, and the dog was almost going to bite her. But then she started squirming like a rat. Like a rat, she was just running around. Why do you have to do it in the first place? Why? You tell us, we want to know. Why do you make these dumb choices?
I just went to pet it like you pet it.
Yeah, the dumbest choice and decision anyone ever makes. Like, God, this looks dumb. Why would anyone ever pet a dog? It's a random dog. It's not been vaccinated. Nobody's giving it food. It's probably hungry. Wants to eat you.
Dog is not a carnivore.
I don't. It's a bro. They eat meat and chicken and fish and everything.
I know nothing.
But she decides, this thing I know nothing about. I shall touch it. See if it kills me. Yes, yes.
Hey guys. Sorry that you can hear the TV. My grandparents are watching TV in their room. So I really hope you can hear me because I have filmed the whole day. I filmed with my friends. Those are some very fun vlogs. Wow, how can you? This is glass, so you can see me here. I am mind blown officially, but anyway, this is a. Yeah, so a few things happened. You'll see in the vlog. I don't have to talk about them again. Like the dog thing. Wow, my parents also yelled at me after I came home. Well, my mother laughed mostly. But apparently it's common knowledge that you're not supposed to pet a dog that's sleeping. I mean, I just really lovingly went to it. I didn't... You know what? I'm not going to talk about the dog because... But yeah, you met my friends. Now it's like 10:20. I reached home around 8:39. I did walk a bit back because I was like, I don't actually have glasses. I have to use them when I'm in front of a screen. So now I'm going to probably I'll edit the video. I'm going to like try to work with something else with editing because I don't really know how to edit videos honestly. All I've been using is like InShot and Vita and stuff on the phone. I have the software that I downloaded on my laptop. I'm going to try to see if I know how to use it. I really want to get better at editing. So if any of you know how to edit, or if any of you could help me, please just comment down below, or text me on Instagram. The links are in the description. I'll still put my act somewhere. But yeah, please DM me. I really want to learn how to edit. Tab tak I guess I'll just see some tutorials or something, or this software I downloaded. Maybe I'll try to use it. Yeah, I told you I was going to show you my Spotify Wrapped thing, right? So I'm going to try it. It's so cool. Songs are one of the things that tell you so much about a person's personality. Yeah, it's such a cool thing to know what people have been listening throughout the year. And I just really love people and knowing about people and analyzing people. I'm not creepy, I promise, but it's really cool. So I'm just going to tell you my Spotify Wrapped thing. So if you want, you could share your playlists with me. I would love that. If you just want to, you could just share your playlist. I'll share mine. I'm not really a playlist person. I mean, I really want to sit down and make playlists. And I think people who have playlists are so cool. People have moving on playlists, or a lot. You can have playlists for everything. One of my friends has a playlist called Coming of Age. I mean, that's so cool. I want to be that person. I want to have an organized Pinterest, an organized Spotify, so that I can put the links in my bio and you can check it all out. And I just really want to do that. So maybe that's one of the things I'm going to try to accomplish this month. Not talking about my monthly goals here, but yeah. Okay, so here my top song. Oh, wait, hold up, you guys, hold up. Yeah, so my top song was Two of Us. It made me get it. It's amazing. Louis Tomlinson, Supremacy. The second one was, wait, oh my god, yeah, I discovered 217 new artists. That is a huge number for me. Okay, top songs are, how do you stop this? Okay, you can see what my top songs are. Okay, it's Two of Us, Exile, 18, Kill My Mind, Night Changes. I'm such a basic bitch, I cannot even. One Direction. I literally went back into my whole obsession of One Direction. Spot Anushka. Yeah, that's about it. You guys should let me know what do you think about this vlog. It's my first vlog, vlog. Sorry if I was completely shit at it. I will get better if this works, I guess. I mean, I hope it does. I just want to do it. So just tell me what you think about the vlog. And yeah, tell me if I'm a fun person to be with on a vlog to watch. I mean, for me, I like to watch vlogs of people who are fun. Everyone in my family is so rude. But anyway, before I was very rudely interrupted, I was just telling you that. Let me know what you thought about my vlog. Just let me know what you think. I've spoken too much already today. It was fun vlogging. Bye bye. Have a nice day, night, afternoon, evening. Just have a nice time, you guys. It's only one life.